UNBOX Nation, are you looking for a nice, compact, small charging block to take with you on the go that also has some retractable cable built inside? Then I think you want to stay tuned and check out this charging block from a company called Sharge, alright? Alright, yo Skippy, roll that intro. Okay YouTube, this your boy Mark for LOOSESCREWZZANDVIEWS back again another video. But you know how we do, before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, go ahead and subscribe. Alright, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. UNBOX Nation, it's your main man Mark, back again with another video. And today we're going to be taking a look at a nice little small compact charging brick from a company called Sharge, alright? But before we get started, I want to give all thanks and praise to my Heavenly Father God above and Savior Jesus Christ, because without God, none is possible. But anything is possible as long as you keep God in it, alright? And by the way, can you do me a favor? Can you go down there and hit the subscribe button? It's free, don't cost anything, and you'll be helping somebody out, alright? Appreciate it. View Nation, it's your main man Mark, back again with another video. And today we're going to be taking a look at a small little compact charging brick from Sharge, a company called Sharge, alright? I've been meaning to make this video for so long. It's just been sitting, and I found it. I was like, oh, let me go ahead and make it. But anyway, let me let you see the box right here, alright? And let's see here. You got the retractable cable and all that good stuff. It's showing you come in 2 different colors. And here's some information right here. You can pause this and read it for yourself. Let me go ahead and get it out of the box, and then we'll go ahead and do some specs. But check this out in the box. Alright. Let's get it out of the box so we can see what we're working with, alright? Let's take it out of the box. Sharge makes some pretty good stuff. I got some other stuff from Sharge somewhere, but I use them all the time, alright? Alright. Let's see here. Nothing else is, well, wait a minute. Nope. Nothing else in the box. Toss that box to the side. That part aside. It's wrapped up and everything. Let's take it on out of here. Alright. Toss that to the side. And here you go. Well, this says, get your groove on. Boy, it kind of looks like a little mini record player. It says, get your groove on. Alright. And they got the Sharge little branding down here at the bottom. And let's see here. And also you got a foldable AC plug at the bottom right here. That's pretty cool. And okay, in the back it really don't have anything. It's just got the name on the back. And then you got a USB-C charging slot. And if I'm mistaken, this is that's to go ahead. You can charge it. You can charge it with that one. And I believe you can charge it with that one. All right. But we're gonna check it out though. And then the thing that what made me get it is this right here. This retractable cable. That's what made me get it. As you can see, when you pull it, the retractable cable, you pull it, the wheel moves. It's kind of, I guess they kind of try to base it, make it look like a little retro record player or anything. But this is pretty cool. Let me see. Let me give you some specs for the spec junkies out there. I wanted to get it out of the package first, because usually I just be sitting up here rambling on with this for the spec junkies before we get out of the package. I figured this time we do a little something different. All right. So let me give you some of the specs for the spec junkies. All right. I'm just not an expert. I'm just a regular everyday person. So spec junkies, chill out in the comment section down there. But anyway, this is the Sharge retractable 65-watt USB-C charger, GaN powered wall charging brick with retractable cable. It has two devices. You can charge 2 devices, PD fast charging for MacBook Pro, Air, iPhone, all that good stuff. They always want to tell you everything that they can use. All right. As far as the retractable cable, it says keep your workspace tidy and tangle free with a 2.3 foot retractable cable. So the cable is 2.3 foot long, all right? And it's retractable, says retractable instructions, says pull once to lock and start charging, and pull again to release and retract. I mean, that's pretty simple, common sense right there. So blazing 65-watt GaN charger. Let's see. It says GaN charger juices up your MacBook Air 15-inch from 0 to 50 within just 35 minutes. I think that's going to vary too, depending on if you're using it at the same time. You got a lot of stuff going on. I don't know, but I think that's going to depend on usage as well. But that's what they say they'll do. All right. Let's see here. What else we going on here? It says included with the wall charger, USB-C charging cable. Okay, yeah, we already said that simplify your travel. I think one of the biggest things, like I said, that got me about this bad boy is basically the the kind of little see-through design and the retractable cable, and that you can charge something else at the same time. And it's a charging brick. Too cool, too cool. So let me go ahead and find something that we can plug this bad boy into, and we can go ahead and test it out. All right, hold tight. All right, I'm back. I got a power source right here, so we can go ahead and test this out. I got to get me a new kind of power source. I've been looking at that, what is that, I think it's the Sharge, yeah, I've been looking at one of their little all-in-one charger, like a little surge protector. I'm gonna have to get that right there. I got to get something different, because I just can't keep having to pull this out and trying to use it and then put it back where I had it. But anyway, it's not about that. It's about this 65-watt GaN charger. All right, and let's see here. All right, so what I'm gonna do is go ahead and plug it in to the charging to the power source right here. See, do it this way. All right, we got it plugged in. See, this is why I need to get another source so you can see without having to do all this stuff right here. This is a headache. But anyway, let me find something to charge it up with. Let me see, so I can see something that I can charge. Anyway, all right, boy, got to pull out the old dinosaur, the Note 20 Ultra. Hopefully we'll be upgrading. I'm put like this. We're gonna be upgrading. I'm just gonna put it out in the universe. I'm gonna start speaking positive. Put it out in the universe. We're gonna upgrade. Hopefully they get that new Galaxy Flip Fold, the next version. Hopefully it'll come with an S Pen. But anyway, get back to this right here. Let's go ahead and plug this bad boy up and see what we're working with. Super fast charge. Look at that, super fast charge. And to see how much juice this thing is putting out, let me see. There it goes right here. We'll go ahead and so you can see how much juice is going in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in. Then I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in. All right. Super fast charge. And let's see what super fast charge is. 16.8, 17 watt. It's going between 16 and 17 watt. All right, then back down to 8. But you get the gist of it. All right. Also, let's see. I got a charging cable around here somewhere. I want to charge up the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So I'm going to charge that up with it. So I'm going to plug that into the USB-C charging slot up here. All right. So we can see what it's doing. And I got another little meter right here. I'm going to plug it in so we can put it in there. So we see how much juice is coming out of there. As you see, I already got that one still plugged up. Let's see if we can get it in here. All right, we got it in here. We're looking at one. Okay, it's this trying to compensate. Okay, it's 19 watt, 19.4. Going back and down, it's fluctuating, going up and down, but that's to be expected. Just like on this one. This one is still. This one is. Let me see. Turn it around this way. Yeah, turn around this way. So get it. Let me swap around a little bit right here. I'm gonna put it a little closer. All right, so you get 18 watt on this one and 70 watt on the other one. So you could do super fast charge on both. So while you're charging both devices, let me unplug it and plug it back in. Make sure we're getting that super fast charge. Yep, super fast charge. Still super fast charge. You see that right there, super fast charge. All right, so it does what it says it does. I mean, you got a nice little cable. That's one less cable you got to carry around with you when you go on traveling. And you can charge up 2 devices at one time. That's too cool. That's too cool. All right. All right. I think I might have said something earlier, misspoken, when I said this can recharge us up, but I'm thinking it was a power bank. That would have been cool if this would have been a power bank too. But they came out with one that was a white one. There's also a power bank. It's 10,000 miles. So they got a black one that's a little bit bigger. So yeah, they already got it. So anyway, yeah. So it does what it says. It charge up 2 devices at one time, and it's supercharged 2 devices at one time. So let me see something. I want to check something real quick. I'm going to plug this into my my iPad Pro, which I'm using right now as a screen. You're not going to be able to see it because it's out of the screen. Let's see right here. I'm going to plug it in. Let's see here. If I can find the hole right here. All right. Now, that one's charging. And let me see what it's charging at. 34 watt. It's charging at 34 watt, and this one is still going super fast charge. So needless to say, this could charge up your phone and your iPad at the same time, or your MacBook Pro. You ain't have no problems right there. That's too cool. That's too cool. All right. Another thing that probably would have made this pretty good if they would have had another slot up here, like a USB-A slot for some of them other devices we still using right around now, or another USB-C, so you charge up 3 devices. But being that it's 65 watt and they're trying to market it towards charging up a MacBook Pro or MacBook Air, it's going to be dividing up the juice between the two, all right? Because so this, like I say, the tablet is doing 35 watt right now. Can't see that, it was off camera. So I'm gonna plug it and take the plug out. But yeah, this is pretty simple tech. That's why I need to call this simple tech. But it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Look at that. It comes back down. They take that meter off. Yeah, compact design. Throw it in your pocket. Throw it in your EDC bag, you're good to go. Simple, easy, perfect for travel, perfect for your everyday carry. All right, all right. I mean, really ain't too much I can say about it. It's just, it's a charging brick. It's got a built-in USB-C cable, and yeah, this is pretty decent. This is something pretty decent. Like I said, if anything that can help you save some room or save you from having to carry a whole bunch of cables, I'm with it. So this is one thing. It's one cable. One less cable I got to worry about carrying with me, because I got this retractable cable in it. All right. But hold on a minute. Have you hit the subscribe button? All right. But yeah, I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below where you get more detailed information on it. I mean, I don't know. Let me see let's see. At the time of this video, it looked like it's going for $49.99. But that could change, because things change up all the time, up and down, because sometimes they might have a coupon, sometimes they're not. But hopefully, it goes down. I would say a good price for this would be, I'd say $35 or something like that. That would be a good time to catch at $35. But for what it is, it's pretty decent. It's pretty decent, because I got other chargers like this, charging bricks that cost way more. So I guess that could be a reasonable price. But me personally, I think it could be a little bit better. All right, give the working class a break. Anyway, but that's my little review on this nice little Sharge charging brick. All right, was it 65 watt retractable cable and USB-C folding plug. You can't beat it. All right. But I appreciate everybody taking that time checking that video. This was something just real quick. I think it's probably about the quickest video I had made. But link in the description box below. If it's something I missed, like I said, I'm not an expert. I'm just a regular everyday person. Click on that link in the description box below to get more detailed information, or pick one up for yourself. All right. It is what it is. Charging brick. All right. And I appreciate everybody taking that time to check out the video. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, notification bell so you notify new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell that friend, tell a friend, tell that friend, tell a friend to subscribe, because it's free, don't cost anything, and you'll be helping somebody out, and you get to see cool products like this on the channel. All right. I was looking for something else, but yeah. Like I always say in my videos, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. All right. I mean that. Let's see here. The message for today. Oh, I got it. A lot of times, life is hard. It ain't always the easiest. You got a lot of things going on in life. But I'm here to tell you, don't give up. Don't give up. I mean, if you give up, you'll never see if you could have succeeded or became great. You know what I'm saying? So, message for the day is, no matter how hard it gets, don't give up. That's the message for today. This has been your main man, Mark, for Loose Screws and Views. Drop the mic, baby, and we out. Peace. Let's charge up.
Okay. Picture a youngin' that used to live for the summer, skip meals to go run amongst all his peers. Now fast forward up a few years, that giddy little kitty growed up and all of a sudden had to pay bills. My current dichotomy grown from pure curiosity. Guess I didn't know that part of the deal, or know how quick it get real. Feeling so fleeting, me and myself need a meeting